Let's take a look at how we can get rid of spaces between lines or even add spaces between lines in Word 2019. This is a paper I wrote a while back. So what we want to do is select the text where you want to change the spacing. And in the Home tab at the top, you're going to see this little button right here that says line and paragraph spacing. So I'm going to hit the drop down and I can change it. Right now it's 1.15. I can change it to 1. And that makes it a lot smaller. However, there's still space between here. And I may want to get rid of that altogether so it looks like one line is on top of the other. Or I may want to even make it more space between the lines. So I'll go ahead and select that once again and choose more space. There we are. All right, so let's take a look at how we can get rid of that extra space even if we have it set to 1 and there's still too much space between it. What we can do is go to the Layout tab. And in the Layout tab, we're going to see where it says Spacing. Now we can see that the space is set to where it says 0 and 12 points when it says before and after. All we have to do is set both before and after to be 0. So watch what happens. There we go. Now one line is right on top of the other. We've gotten rid of all additional spaces. We can do this to the rest of the text as well if we want. And we'll just go ahead and choose. So it says 0. And now we've taken that section and also gotten rid of all that extra spacing that we don't want. So that's how we get rid of spacing or increase spacing in Word 2019.